Hi everybody. So this week's video is a little bit different because I messed up again. Like last week's project where I didn't bother to check the frame fitting the lamp that I was making the shade for. This week I forgot to hit record. Technically I did hit record. I hit it the first time, but I had to walk away, so I hit stop, and then I forgot to hit record again. So anyway, here is my first applique project. I didn't use a pattern. I cut the heart out with my Cricut, and for the bag itself, I actually used the pocket template from the clematis pattern. So so I kind of sort of used a pattern, just not what it was intended for. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. So my hardware is from Sally Tomato. The marine vinyl is from Marine Vinyl Fabrics, and the gorgeous hollow vinyl is from So Hungry Hippie. So I'm gonna tuck a few pictures in here so you can get a few more views. And this is my very first applique project, and I'm sure there will be many more to come. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out.